Hi, I'm Zoe from My Life Skills Academy. Today we're going to make a tambourine. Now for your tambourine you're going to need 2 paper plates, or these ones are polystyrene. So you get the paper plates and you put them together. You then staple round the outside, but you leave a cavity at the top. You leave that at the top. What you're going to do with that is you're going to get your bottle caps. So these can be, they can be any sort of bottle caps, but you need your bottle caps. Now you can put as many bottle caps in this as you like. It's a good way to test it out actually. So you leave that space at the top, feed the bottle caps in, do a few at a time and then shake it, a few more at a time and shake it, maybe more and shake it. And then you can see what the sound you're going to get is going to be like. Once you've actually added the bottle tops and you're happy with the sound of your tambourine, you staple right the way around the outside. So you put in as many staples as you think you need to keep that tight, because you don't want to be losing your bottle caps. You also, what you're going to, this is a staple I use, so a simple sort of stapler. Also what you need is to do some decoration on the outside. Now I've done some musical notes, so for that, highlight pen. So we use the highlight pen to do our musical notes, and we then need a ruler that we put on there, and then we do our lines for our musical notes. Now, this is what your tambourine sounds like. I hope this helps.